Hi! In front of me is Infinix Note 30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up App Lock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to Access Security. Following that, scroll down and tap on App Lock. Then create a pattern that you will use to lock your apps. Repeat it in order to confirm it. And click on link at the bottom to link your account with AppLock right away, or select skip at the top right corner. Now just tap on an open padlock next to an app that you wish to lock. When you're done, go back. So now, when I try to access this app, I can see that pattern is now required. In order to disable App Lock from one of your apps, go into the same App Lock settings, enter your App Lock pattern, and click on Now Closed green padlock next to your app. If you want to disable App Lock completely, select this gear at the top right corner. Tap on the green switcher next to Enable App Lock and turn it off in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!